my Arduino hooked up to my light, so that way when I use my IR remote, it will turn on or off the light. So I have the down arrow set to pull the switch down, which will turn off my light, and the OK to reset the system. I did that by a simple little hack by flashing the reset pin to low. I'm talking kind of quiet because it's 1 in the morning right now. Yeah, let's do it. Light is off. Okay. Light is back on. I have a little ghetto system right here. It is a paper clip. See if I can get this to focus. There. Paper clip. I had to tape up the light switch so it would stay on. Paper clip is not on there because it needs to spin as I rotate it. Like so. It needs to rotate. So yeah. Don't touch it at all. The 9-volt. You gotta do a bit of resistance here, right there. This little LED tells me if I'm if the IR has been detected. If not, like, I can press any button here. But only these two work. So yeah, it's hooked up to my TV right now for the OK button, so it keeps playing the show. But other than that, I think it's pretty good. I did have it hooked up to this remote, but this remote does not have nearly as far range as this one. So yeah.